Have you ever considered who owns the drawings of your home design? It's a crucial question that many people overlook, and the consequences can be severe. Let's delve into the important topic to help you understand the potential risks and how to avoid them. Did you know that selecting the design for your home without careful consideration can lead to potential legal issues? Let's explore how this can happen and what you need to watch out for. It's a common misconception that making significant changes to a design can protect you from copyright infringement. However, the reality is different. If you receive a free drawing from a home builder and share it with another builder for quotes, you may unknowingly expose yourself to copyright issues. The builder who owns the original design can take legal action and in some cases even halt construction on your project. This can lead to substantial cost blowouts that you'll be responsible for. Countries like Australia that have strict copyright laws that make it essential to exercise caution in this matter. So, how can you prevent getting entangled in this situation? The key is to approach the design process with a different strategy. Firstly, don't finalise your home design before selecting a home builder. Make sure you thoroughly research and meet with various builders to find the right fit for your project. It's essential to choose a builder who does both, the design and construction. This way they own the design and won't have any copyright conflicts. Taking the time to find the right builder can save you from potential legal headaches and ensure a smooth construction process. I hope this video has provided valuable insight to help you make the best decision for your new home. Until next time, happy building and best of luck on your home journey.